looking at stock number 15432, a 2005 Chevy 1500 Crew Cab Short Box. This truck has a 5.3 liter V8 engine. From this video you'll be able to tell that this truck is extremely clean all the way around. Stampede radial tires with almost all the tread left. Factory alloy rims. See, the front bumper is very clean. Down this side of the truck you can see just how glass-like the paint is, how clean the body is. Take these videos so if you're far away or even close by, see the truck, hear the truck, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're purchasing before you even get here. See the frame, very clean, very little to no rust. It's like that all the way underneath. Stainless steel step bars, spray and bed liner. See the rear tailgate's very clean. Rear bumper, no dents or dings, full towing package. Here the tailgate shuts solidly. Down this side of the truck, very clean as well. Inside, this truck is the LS package, which gives you the power cloth, tan seats. See, there's no rips or tears. This truck smells very clean inside. See, the carpeting is very clean. I don't believe it's ever been smoked in. 69,059 miles. CD tape player, Bose sound system. See, the passenger seat's very clean as well. Dual climate control. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see the back seats are very clean as well. Rear carpeting, rear audio controls. Let's take a look under the hood. See, the engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. Very clean inside. And to see more pictures of this truck or one of our other 350 trucks and SUVs on the lot, go to www.lenzauto.com. There's a full description and 27 photos of every vehicle you see here. Half tons, 3/4 tons, 1 tons, you name it, we got it. So go to www.lenzauto.com. Lenz Auto.